Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we'll learn how you can fetch data from a server. Server means any URL, okay? Like if you have a dataset in URL and you are going to fetch it, so how you can fetch, we can see in this video. So let me get started. I just code the written over here what's required to fetching the data from URL. The code is very simple, just you have to pass the URL from here so that and you can run the code, you can fetch the data from URL, okay? You don't need to do any changes. You can also use this code. So for that I have to go to the URL. This is the URL, because if you are going to work as a data analyst or data scientist, so you should know many ways to fetching data, because data analytics is totally about data scientist, okay? So if you know that how you fetch data from any URL or any API using an API, so this is very helpful for you. So please come over, and this is my data, and this is the URL. I just copy it and just copy it. This is actually GitHub, okay? My data is on GitHub, so just copy it from the here and you paste it. So in this code we'll use three modules. One is request, another pandas, and string.io. What the request module do is over here, just send a request in the URL in the server or any particular website where we are fetching the data. And string.io, like you fetch the data as a text format or any text like list of string. The string.io module change the any list of string to a file, and then later you just convert the into CSV file, okay? Just run the code and let's see it will work or not. So now we fetch the data. This data is about Indian airline, okay? This data is about 10,683 rows, okay, and 11 columns. So this is how actually you can do this. This is very simple. I just add the code in the description of the video. You can fetch the code and you can just change the URL when you use this code to fetching the data from any particular URL. So you need to change any code over here, okay? So if you like this particular video and if you face any issue from fetching the data from URL, please let me in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. Thank you guys.